25 degrees, 9:56 a.m., Monday, January 17th, 2022. The Ohio Turnpike, the traffic going eastbound is getting rerouted, getting taken off of the turnpike in Strongsville. From 8:30 to 9:30, it was all stop and go, crawling. Now there's a big line of cars and trucks over there that are getting rerouted off the turnpike. Everybody going eastbound has to get off in Strongsville. So obviously there's a wreck in Strongsville or east of Strongsville, I-80 East, Ohio Turnpike. There's a highway patrol car over there. Let's see, where's the... There it is. There's the highway patrol. His lights on, he or she. Anyway, this is a situation. That truck going eastbound is going to have to get off and get in the line of cars beyond it over there. They're all getting rerouted off the turnpike. I-80 eastbound is closed. So now there's a big backup. Stop and go, but getting rerouted off. Having to get off in Strongsville. And the road over there looks like it's probably all deep snow and ice. It's like there's a snow plow over there by the highway patrol. Salt truck. I have 13 inches here at my apartments. Got an email from the office saying they haven't been able to plow. They can't get their trucks here, and some of their plow trucks are stuck on the highway somewhere. They said they plowed at 3 in the morning a little bit, can't get back. So there's cars that can't get out. They said this wasn't going to hit Strongsville for 2 or 3 days. They said it was going to stay east of Cleveland. Those cars over there beyond the turnpike, south of the turnpike, that are getting rerouted off the turnpike, they're not even moving. Turnpike's crawling. And then they got to go over there and get stuck in a line where they're not even moving, trying to get to Pearl Road. Rerouting them to Pearl Road, Strongsville. There goes an Amazon truck. So, yep. Westbound is moving slow. Eastbound is stop and go. And getting rerouted off. Yeah, that highway patrol over there, he's not even letting people get to Pearl Road right now, because he's just letting this plow do a little plowing and salting. So they're stuck on the turnpike, stuck off the turnpike, till they get to Pearl Road and get rerouted. Our first big snowstorm of this winter season.